The next step is step number 3. For better approach, create your own module. Always create your own module. Okay. So I'm just creating this command. If your folder is not be created, uh, it, it will create the shared folder, and inside the shared folder we create a material module. We can create only module file. We cannot create a routing file. Okay. Only create a material file. For that we use this upper command nggm share. Okay. Now in terminal we just hit that command. It create a shared folder, and inside that shared folder it create a material file. Okay. For to create a module file we use a m. Okay, sorry, I'm not being enter. Okay, now it is created. Now see here, the shared folder is created in your app directory. Inside that, the material module is imported. In that module, there is a predefined code is present. Declaration, if you want to declare any component, you can declare in that. Imports, in the import section, you have to, by default, use a common module, because that some browser functionality is present in that common module. So we have to import that common module as well. Okay. After that, here we have to use one more key, that is a export. Okay. Why we use export? Because first Angular material is imported in your Angular application. From their package, first we have to import that module in your Angular project. Then after that module, you have to use in your Angular project to everywhere. For that, we have to export as well. If you not export that Angular material module, okay, then it will not be accessible to your project. So first you have to import that module, then that particular module you have to use in your application. For that we use export key. Okay, that also I mentioned here. What is the use of export in step number 4? Okay,